everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be learning about how to solve for the area of a non-right triangle. On the screen you can see a ton of formulas that are all used to solve for the area of a non-right triangle. The formula that you choose will be based off of what type of information you are given in the problem. The first three formulas are used for finding areas of triangles that are in the SAS case. These are when you are only told the information of a side, an angle, and a side. The formulas in the second row are useful for the AAS case. These are when you are only given an angle, and a side in the problem. The other formula on the third row is called Hero's formula, and it is used to find the area in the SSS cases. This is when you are only given the lengths of the sides in a triangle. We are going to solve one example from each of these types of cases. Our first problem is an SAS case. It says find the area of angle ABC if B equals 32, C equals 27, and the measurement of angle A equals 108. So if we look at all of our formulas, we can see that the formula that says K equals 1/2 times B times C times the sine of A is the formula that we can use all of our information in to get the area of the triangle. The letter K is our unknown area. So K is going to equal 1/2 times B, which we are told in our problem is 32, times C, which we are told in our problem is 27, times the sine of 108, or the sine of measure A. This equals 432 times 0.9511. So our final area is going to equal 411. So the area of this triangle is 411 square units. For our second problem, this is an angle side angle case. We are told that angle A equals 100, angle B equals 65, and the side of angle C equals 2.2. So if we look at all of the formulas that are given to us, the formula that says K equals 1/2 times C squared times the sine of A times the sine of B divided by the sine of C is closest to what the information that we have, is the best formula for us to use based off of the information that we have. We can easily find what the sine of C is since we know that there are 180 degrees in a triangle, and we can do 180 minus 100 plus 65. This equals 15. So we know that angle C in this triangle equals 15. Now all that is left to do is plug in the information that we know into this equation. So K is going to equal 1/2 times C squared, which is 2.2 squared, times the sine of 100 times the sine of 65, all divided by the sine of 15 degrees. This equals 2.2 times 0.9848 times the sine of 65, which is 0.9063, divided by the sine of 15, which is 0.2588. If we enter this value into our calculator, we see that this equals 8.35. So the area of this triangle is 8.35 meters squared. This next problem is an SSS case. It says that a triangular city lot has sides of lengths that are 50, 60, and 80 feet long. We need to find the area. So when we have SSS cases, we need to use Hero's formula. This is what it says. It says K equals the square root of S times S minus A times S minus B times S minus C, where S equals 1/2 times A plus B plus C. So we first need to find the value of S. So we are going to do 1/2 times 50 plus 60 plus 80, because these are the lengths of our A, B, and C. This equals 95. So we know that our S value equals 95. Now we need to substitute this into our hero's formula. Before we do this, we should probably find what s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c equal. So s minus a is going to equal 95 minus 50. 95 minus 50 equals 45. Now for s minus b. S minus b is also the same as 95 minus 60. 95 minus 60 equals 35. Now for the final one, s minus c. As we know, s equals 95 and c equals 80. So 95 minus 80 is going to equal 15. Now we need to substitute all of this into our hero's formula. So k is going to equal the square root of s, which is 95, times s minus a, which is 45, times s minus b, which is 35, times s minus c, which is 15. And this equals the square root of 2,244,375, which we can approximately simplify to 1,498. For our final answer, we can round this to 3 significant digits, so the area of this triangular lot is 1,500 feet squared. This final problem says this: the area of angle ABC equals 36 square units. If angle B equals 30 and the length of C equals 8, we need to find the value of A. So what would be the best formula to use for this? The best formula to use for this is the formula that says K equals 1/2 times A times C times the sine of B, since we have the measurement of angle B. So we know our K equals 36, so we're going to say 36 equals 1/2 times A, which we are trying to find, times C, which is 8, times the sine of B, which is 30. We need to isolate A in order to solve this problem. So we are first going to divide both sides by 1/2. 36 divided by 1/2 equals 72. So now we have 72 equals 8a times the sine of 30. We can divide both sides by 8 to get that 9 equals the sine of 30 times a. We can finish off by dividing both sides by the sine of 30. 9 divided by the sine of 30 equals 18. So 18 equals A. So in order to answer our question, the length of side A equals 18. Thank you guys so much for watching this video about how to solve for areas of non-right triangles. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Bye!